Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also make sure to go down in the description and sign up for Blofin. They're offering some big sign up and competition bonuses in the description below, so go get involved with that. And also finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below and you can get involved with that. It's been allowing me to buy the dip on all these altcoins that just keep on dipping recently, but I've been averaging in for the past 2 years or so, continuously buying throughout this period of the market that's been pretty much sideways action. And as we can see here, Polygon right now, very much looking like it's breaking out of its downtrend. Finally, a huge green candle a few days ago to the upside. A few days of chopping around at this 0.23 Fibonacci, exactly as I predicted in my previous videos. I did say that we were just continuing to the downside here. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside. We've come down, we've touched the bear market low support area down here, as you can see in this range. And it was pretty obvious to me that, considering how ridiculously oversold and boring the markets were becoming, that we were going to see a nice reversal for altcoins soon. Bitcoin has been chopping sideways and being pretty boring in general. And you can see here that Polygon right now is basically just saying, you know what, I'm bored of chopping down and sideways. I'm going to have a bit of a reversal. Nice volume coming in at these lows, as you can see. Breaking out of our downtrend resistance, you can see here. Resistance, resistance, resistance. And we have finally come up here and broken out of our resistance downtrend. Now, coming up and touching the 0.23 Fibonacci level here, as you can see, and basically potentially forming this inverse head and shoulders that I think a lot of cryptos are going to be forming soon. As you can quite clearly tell on the charts here, we are basically just chilling and looking for probably a little bit of a retracement from this resistance and a bounce and then continuation. Overall, Polygon and the crypto market for altcoins in general looking like it's starting to reverse. All the altcoins are starting to look like they're getting some nice volume. People were just getting too bored and thinking, oh, it's time to start buying altcoins because Bitcoin's going sideways and it's boring and it's not scary anymore, it's just boring, so we're going to start buying altcoins. And that's pretty much exactly what's been happening, isn't it, to be honest. You can see here for Polygon that the clean break of that downtrend resistance, in my opinion, if we can come down, make a higher low, higher high, and reverse this trend, I think this is quite a possible outcome over the next few weeks. Bitcoin, etc. Overall, I think it's going to be pretty interesting times in the next few weeks indeed. But right now, as we can see, this chart looking primed for reversal. So let's see what we can do. Like and subscribe for more.